Hi everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the EOC06 embroidery hoops. The EOC06 has embroidery hoops in 3 sizes, which can cover many different embroidery projects. Therefore, I will also show you how to use the floating method. Are you ready? Let's do it! Before we start installing the embroidery hoops, I will show you all the tools used in this video. An embroidery hoop of the right size, 3 stabilizers, cutaway, tearaway, washaway, water-soluble pencils, small pins, and of course, the fabrics to be embroidered. First, we show you how to install the embroidery hoop. Use a water-soluble pencil to draw the target area of the pattern on the garment. Then choose the embroidery hoop of the appropriate size. Loosen the screws and separate the 2 pieces of the embroidery hoop and place 1 layer of cutaway stabilizer. Generally, a hoodie requires 1 layer of cutaway or 2 layers of tearaway. Install the clothes or fabrics. Merge the 2 embroidery hoops and make sure the 2 triangles are on the same plane. If it is difficult to merge the embroidery hoops, loosen the screws appropriately and place them on the table to press. Tighten the screws, and if there are some wrinkles, you can gently pull the edge fabric to keep the fabric flat in the hoop. If it is an embroidered garment, 2 layers of fabric, the lower layer of fabric needs to be placed outside the embroidery area when embroidering. Otherwise, the front and the back of the garment will be embroidered together. Lift the presser foot to allow the embroidery hoop to pass through. Then lower the press foot. Push the embroidery hoop docking button and install it on the docking column of the machine. Before embroidery, you can use clips to fix the lower layer of fabric to prevent it from moving during embroidery. Now we have completed the installation of the embroidery hoop. Next, I will show you how to use the floating method. This time, we will use a towel for demonstration. Still choose the appropriate size of embroidery hoop and loosen the screws. First, place a layer of tearaway stabilizer. Merge the embroidery hoop. Remember the triangle. And tighten the screws. Then lay the towel flat on top and secure it with a small pin. The small pin needs to penetrate the fabric downwards first and then upwards to achieve the fixing effect. Next, install the embroidery hoop in the same way as before. Lift the press foot, let the embroidery foam pass through, lower the presser foot, and push the button to connect the embroidery hoop to the machine. If you want a better embroidery effect, you can put a layer of water-soluble stabilizer after fixing the towel, and it still needs to be kept flat. Okay, that's how to install the embroidery hoop and floating method. Very simple. Remember to protect your fingers when using the floating method. If you think our video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's do it!